So in this video I would like to show you guys how to make a simple 3D logo. So when you open your Pixel Lab, the first thing you see is new text, so you just delete it using the delete button up there. So now we want to make a simple 3D logo for a restaurant or a food brand. So what we'll do for now is to click on import. What we'll do first of all is to click on import to import our logo we want to use. So you can download this logo online. You can download your logo online depending on what you want to do. So I'm importing the logo I want to use now. It's an image of a chef, a female chef. It's an image of a female chef. This is the logo I want to use. So you can download them online. You can just type female chef and get so many images you can download. So now let me add the text. Chilet's kitchen. Chilet's kitchen. This is our text. Let me copy it and write another text. We sell all kinds of foods for all occasions. For all occasions. So this is the what the food brand does. This is what the food brand does. So I'm going to align this text. You can see how it's looking. I'm going to give it a middle alignment for the text to spread. I'll give it the middle alignment. I can now expand my text. So always let your brand name be bold. The brand name should always be bold. Give it a unique color. So now let's give this brand name a unique color. Let's give it a very fine. No, we can't use pink here. We're going to select one of the colors of the logo. We are going to use maybe red or green. Let's make it a deep red. So we want to make it a deep red. This is like maroon red. We're going to tap this plus icon here to set our color. So I'm going to drag this to a lighter shade. So we have a very pure red color now. So maybe let's give this one green. Let's give it green just to allow the colors to match. Let's give it green or light green. No. Okay, let's give it this color. Then let's enter our phone number. Let's copy and enter our phone number. 070624329116. Okay, this phone number, the color should be white, so you have to introduce a neutral color to your work. White is a neutral color, so everything cannot just be colorful. So now it's time for us to import our call icon. So I already have my call icon here. My call icon is here. I'll just bring it out. This is my call icon. So all you need to do is just to import yours. I already imported it here before I started the video. So this is my call icon. So now it's now time for me to change my text, my fonts. To change my fonts, this brand name, I'm going to give it a unique kind of font. Look at my font styles here. So I'm working on text now, so you can see my A showing blue down my screen. So that's because I want to work on my text. So I'll go to fonts and give it a unique font. I'll give it a unique font. Look at this. I think this font is good. Chilet's Kitchen. It's actually showing, the font is showing like a burning fire. So you can use something like this. Anything you like. Chilet's Kitchen. You can stroke it. Maybe I'll give it a white stroke. Okay, black stroke. I can increase my stroke width. Can increase it. So let me leave it at 5. So you can see how the work came out. So this is green now. Let me change the font to a more bolder font. Then I will use this. We sell all kinds of food for all occasions. So it's now time for us to change our background color. It's time for us to change our background color. So let's give it a black color. So you can see our logo. So this can serve as a 2D logo. This can serve as a 2D logo. This is the background color. I can save. You can save. You can still change the color. If you are working for a client, you can give them different kind of background color. You can give them different kind of background color. Let me use navy blue. Look at this one. You can see how it is. You can also save this. So let me use the undo button. Let's go back. This is the undo button up of your screen. Let's go back. So before we continue, so I want to make this a 3D logo, and the secret of 3D logo is the depth and the shadow. That's the two major secrets of a 3D logo. So we are going to add shadow to all our works. We're going to add shadow to them. We'll add our shadow. This is shadow. Click on shadow. Add our shadow. Then we'll set our offset X and offset Y. You reduce the offset X and increase the offset Y. So come down to the text, also add shadow. So I told you when you are working on text, you have to click on the A down your screen to work on text. So also add shadow to our text. So on the outer glow, we'll adjust our offset X, we'll reduce our offset X and increase our offset Y just a little. You can see the difference. It's having a 3D look now. we'll also do it for these two. We'll add our shadow, enable the outer glow. Okay, you can reduce the blur radius for it not to be too dark. So we'll reduce our offset X and increase offset Y. Increase it to 5. So you do same for the phone number also. Add your shadow, outer glow. Okay, let me reduce the blur radius for it not to be too dark. Reduce the offset X and increase the offset Y. So this is what we have. The next thing we are going to do is to merge our work together. Okay, it's remaining this call icon. Even the call icon, I'll still have to add my shadow. To the call icon. I'll reduce the offset X and add to offset Y. You do it for every element of the logo. Now it's time for us to merge our work. See this shape after these 3 dots up your screen. After the 3 dots, this shape under it, you click on it. So you click on this tick and cancel sign to mark everything that you want to merge. So now I'll select all the things I want to merge together. So I've selected them. You click on these 2 arrows facing each other to merge them together. Are you sure you want to merge the selected object? Okay. So you can see our work has been merged together. Everything has been merged. So you now go to 3D rotate and rotate it. 3D rotate and rotate it. Rotate it however you want. Do your settings. You come to your rotate also. You come to rotate. Aside the 3D rotate, you also come to rotate and rotate it a little. So this is what we have. So the final thing is to select your image. Final thing is to select your background from your gallery. So you click on the background icon, the icon showing blue down your screen. Select from your gallery. So I want to pick my background from my gallery. So I want to pick. So now you can see our final work. This is our logo. So you save. So this is a 3D logo.